Oh, this is where your extra battery pack. Whoa, wait a minute. Hold on, wait a minute. This is nice. People, welcome to a new video. That's right, I'm back with some content for you, an unboxing. Have we done those in years? Not really. I have a few that I never even uploaded. They're unlisted on my channel. I'll post them soon. But today, we got a special unboxing from a company that reached out to me asking if I wanted to see their new Kickstarter project. I was like, sure, let's check it out. And this comes to us from Plenbo. This is and my cameras, we're gonna switch cameras in a second. This is a like extremely next gen Switch case. So we're gonna like put my Switch in it and I'll show you how it looks. But this is their Plenbo G case. Extra life for your Switch. Oh snap, an adapter for your PS5, PS4, PS3, and Xbox controllers.
What you trying to do? You trying to adapt this, baby? What you mean? What the hell you talking about? You can't adapt this Nintendo Switch. The only person you gonna adapt to is these hands that Mario gonna give you, baby. Bitch, stop playing with me. Okay, let's see.
Materials, capacity. It can hold a Nintendo Switch, HDMI cable, whole bunch of different things. Hardware, power. Let's just open it. Let's open it. All right, so here it is, everybody. The Plenbo, I hope I'm saying that right, G case. We're gonna put this away. And here she blows. Here she goes. I don't know. It's a Nintendo Switch. It's like an intense Nintendo Switch case. Very intense. All right, let's open it. Let's see what's inside. Oh, okay. Wait a minute. That's kind of sick. I like that. I like that. I like that right there. All right, so that's the case right there on the left side. We got our instructions right here. We got a keychain. Thank you, Plenbo. I don't know what, this is a USB? What the heck? We got a USB stick here. This is a USB-C charging cable. Looks good. All right, we got this thing that says one dock on it. It's like a battery dock. I like how everything kind of looks very space and Starfield-ish. We got a battery adapter right here. And then we got some side panel pieces. I'm not sure what this is for, but we'll try figuring it out. Sent us some stickers. Nice. And last but not least, this is the case for the Nintendo Switch. OLED, I believe. That's the one that I asked them for. So I have to grab my Nintendo Switch OLED, plug it in, and we will see how it looks. All right, we got the Nintendo Switch. Here we go. Oh, dang, that's clean. Look at that. Yo, that's nice. I like that. I like that. And then it looks like on the back you can like, oh, this is where your extra battery pack. Whoa, wait a minute. Hold on, wait a minute. This is nice. Hold on, this is expensive. Hold on. It's got a little stand on it. Oh, hold on now. I might have to play my this. Okay. Okay, feeling like a Steam Deck. Okay.
A Steam, what the JD?
Oh, you Mario, a Switch deck.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Oh, I can see you, JD. Oh!
All right, y'all, so this is it. It's pretty sick. I love the design. It's very spacey. And shout out to Plenbo for sending me this. They actually sent me, I think, 2 of them. So they sent me this one in white, and they sent me one in all black. So let's check out the all black one and wrap up the video. Yo, this is hella clean. I'm actually very appreciative that they sent me this. And you could just put your, bro, look at this case. Wow, very nice. Okay, y'all, so they sent me a second case. It's black. All black everything, black on black, black on gold. Let's switch to the camera where you all can see me doing the top-down unboxing, and we'll check it out. All right, y'all, so here it is. Plenbo, play and bold. This is the black G case. Definitely a company from overseas, and they've got a lot. I mean, look at this. Look at all this stuff. We're gonna actually, let's move this out of the way. So with this one, they sent us another battery pack which gives you long-lasting battery, which is amazing. These are the little side things, these right here, but in black. Look at that, look at that, nice. And then last but not least, the case itself. Wow, this is sick. And it fits a Nintendo Switch and an OLED model. So let's try it with my Nintendo Switch that I have right here. See what that looks like. Yeah, boy, that's clean. Dang, dog. I love the way this looks. It looks amazing. So sleek, so different. Like, I'm not used to seeing cases this intricate, you know, with an extra battery pack on the back to charge you, because there is a USB-C on the inside that plugs in, so you can literally charge. Hey, that's me. So you can charge your games as you play them. Sorry for the dirty screen. So there you go, y'all. You can see the case actually has, wow, it has rumble. That's sick. Whoa, that's really cool. So you have like a lot going on here. The case is very comfortable. If I was on, oh my God, if I was on my way on a trip, I would want to use this. This is very nice, very cool, very legit. All right, well, sweet. It's also got fans blowing in the back. I don't know if you can hear that, but swanky. Also, y'all, I forgot to mention that you can remove the Joy-Cons and turn them into their own controller. Whoa, what the heck? I didn't know there was a magnet. That was random. Okay, but you can go from top to bottom and put them together like this. And next thing you know, you have your own little like Gundam Wing controller, which hopefully you can see. I know the white is kind of hitting really hard on this camera, but wow, this is sick, yo. Like, I like it. I'm a big fan. This is very cool the way that they have this set up. Shout out to them. They're really doing it, along with the extra pieces on the back, all this stuff. This is sick. This is really well done. I like it. All right, y'all, so that was an unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. Shout out to Plenbo, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, for sending me these. These are epic. I really like them. I'm a big fan of the white, big fan of the black. They're just clean, very clean Nintendo Switch gaming cases with a whole lot of functionality. Also, if you really like this, you can find it on their website. I'm gonna drop that in the description below. These are worth what I believe is $125. I think for the amount of stuff you're getting, this is a $100 plus case in my opinion. I don't think I've ever seen a case like this before. It's nice. It's really nice. Thanks again, Plenbo. I appreciate you, and see you later. Till next time.